Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to leave a review for a seller on Whatnot. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and leave a review because the package that you received was very well done. How do you actually go ahead and leave a review on Whatnot? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So what we're first going to do is that we're going to go ahead and open up the Whatnot app. Next, after you've opened it up, you want to go ahead and click on activity on the bottom right hand corner. Afterwards, you want to go ahead and click on pending review of the order which you want to leave a review for. So we're just going to click on this review here. And then afterwards, we're going to go ahead and click on rate purchase. So once you click on rate purchase, you can give it 5 stars and you can say very well packaged and delivered fast. So we're going to fix that. And then so there's our review. Afterwards, we're just going to click on submit review. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and leave a review on Whatnot. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.